Hello loves, good evening and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you a cowboy boots that I bought from last month, and I would like to show you how I will style it and what kind of idea do I have for these boots. So I'm not wearing many times flat boots, so I would like to share you also, of course, because it's a black leather cowboy boots. Let me show you. So I got this one from Tamaris and I really love it, and I like the style, I like everything from it, and of course I would like to style it with like a rock star style. So what I'm thinking is with my double-breasted leather jacket, and let's see how I'll be look like with this. Okay, so let's go and have a look. And also I don't want to forget, thank you so much everyone for watching my video and for being here with me. To those subscribers, to those people who give me super thanks, thank you so much everyone. If sometimes I cannot reply to your questions, but I will reply later, because sometimes it's really a lot that I cannot take it one by one. So thank you so much everyone, even though I cannot reply on you, but I really appreciate all your effort to be here. So let's have a look. And this video is for trying on and review Tamaris leather black cowboy boots. So let's have a look. So there you are. Okay. It's a rock star boots. I love it. I have gloves here, which is, I've got the gloves here. It's I made a DIY. So it's a fingerless one. So you can see. Both. To the jacket, this is the double-breasted motor jacket, and yeah, so there you are. So let me wear it. This is so beautiful. It's so cool. What do you think about this outfit? Please let me know in the comments below, because for me, I really love it. The boots are really amazing, comfortable, and I really like it. And yeah, this is the first time I wear cowboy black boots. Then I really like it. I really do. And I don't know, it just really feels so comfortable. You have no worry. So here it is. Close this one so that you will see. Wow, this is so cool. So this is all for now, and thank you so much everyone for watching my videos, and I hope you like this video for today. And please let me know to the comment below, what do you think about this, and I will be glad to hear what you think. And thank you so much for watching. I see you all in my next video, and please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe.